Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to build a tiny house. The cost of building a tiny house varies widely, typically falling between $30,000 and $100,000. Several key factors, such as the construction method and your material choices, directly impact the overall expense. Understanding these variables early on helps you budget effectively for your dream tiny home. Deciding between building it yourself and hiring a professional is a major cost differentiator. A do-it-yourself tiny home typically costs between $30,000 and $60,000, primarily covering materials and some tools. Opting for a professional builder, however, pushes the price higher, usually from $60,000 to $150,000. This choice depends on your budget, available time, and construction expertise, impacting both cost and completion time. Material costs form the largest part of a tiny house budget, allowing for significant savings with careful selection. The structural shell, including the trailer and basic framing, can be $10,000 to $25,000. Interior finishes like flooring and kitchen cabinets often add another $5,000 to $20,000, depending on your choices. Opting for reclaimed or salvaged materials can dramatically reduce these figures, making your project more sustainable and unique. Beyond materials, labor and other hidden expenses can significantly increase your tiny house budget. If you hire professionals, labor alone can be 40 to 60% of the total cost. Don't forget design fees, permits, and any necessary site preparation, which could add a few $1,000s. Essential appliances and utility hookups, like electrical and plumbing, also contribute a few $1,000s to your final investment, so plan carefully for these items. You can employ several smart strategies to save money on your tiny house. Sourcing reclaimed materials, such as repurposed wood or salvaged windows, offers substantial savings on material costs. A simpler design, avoiding complex angles or highly specialized features, also keeps expenses lower. Doing some of the work yourself, even small tasks like painting or installing basic fixtures, can reduce labor costs significantly, making your tiny house project more affordable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.